the drinks and food were so good here that we ordered a second round. So this time it's ice lemon tea.
Teh-o-Liamu.
Teh-o-Liamu. Yeah, it's quite nice. Though I like that one better, the tea taric. But yeah, it's quite refreshing. The third kind of roti chana has come. This is what?
Sarang Burung.
Sarang Burung. So as you can see, there are 2 eggs right in the middle and then surrounded by the dough, like basically the roti itself. So let me just taste. The best part is they make it so like by order, so it takes a bit of time, but it's fresh completely and hot. Okay.
Comes with this gravy.
It's quite nice. We'll finish this up, finish our drinks, and then head over to the marina. That building that you see, that is the check-in building, and there, that side is the
Jetty.
jetty.